Recently I traveled abroad for my very first time, and I wanted to make a video to help those who are probably trying to travel abroad for their first time also, because I know that it can be a nervous process, or you might even get scared because of thinking of flying for your first time. But let me reassure you that in this video I will share some important tips and guides that will make the procedure much better and enjoyable for you. So before everything, just make sure that your documentation, your bookings, your tickets, everything is in place. You can forget about your luggage, you can forget about clothes, but make sure you don't forget your documentation. So the next thing is to pack your stuff and your luggage, prepare your luggage. Now when you're preparing your luggage, please make sure that you respect the condition of your tickets, because if the ticket says that you can bring only 23 kilos, then you will have to weight your luggage and make sure that your big luggage is weighting 23 kilos or under. If it goes above 23 kilos by a little bit, so for example it goes on 23.3 something, there are some airports that will allow you to send your luggage away, but there are some airports that might, you never know, it will be a mess. So it is much better to not take any risk and respect your conditions on your tickets and weight your luggage. And you can use a digital scale. This is easy to use. You can just lift up your luggage and you will see how much it weighs. I will put a link down below. You can check it out in the description for the digital scale if you want to buy one. This is one that I use myself. And yeah, after this is done, you will have to go to the airport. Now this is very important. Make sure that you arrive at your airport at least 3 hours before, because if you're new, you might get lost and you might be stressed. Trust me. For example, if you're going to Charles de Gaulle, it is a massive airport, massive airport, and if you're going for your first time, you might get lost, you might be losing time searching for this and that, asking people and stuff, so it will take a lot of time for you to know where you need to go and stuff. So make sure to arrive there before 3 hours before, and even if there's a long queue, you will not be stressed because you know that you have time in front of you. Basically the procedure of flying is like this. So you will have to go to the airport, checking, and then post your luggages, that is getting your luggage to go to your destination needed, and then they will give you your boarding pass. So it is checking, luggage, boarding pass, get in the plane and go. So it is pretty easy. So the first one, we're checking, you can check in online. So checking online is basically require you to check whether everything is correct, every information of your passport is correct, and whether you're sitting in this seat or not, and all that stuff. It is very easy, do not be worried. After checking, you will have to post your baggage. So there will be some not officers but workers there. You will have to lift your luggage and put it on their balance, and they will show how much kilo it is. If it is okay, the workers will put a tag on your luggage and they are going to put it on the airplane and to be posted to your next destination. And then they will give you your boarding pass, and that's pretty much it. And no, that's not it, because the most stressful part for most people is the security part. So after you have gotten your boarding pass and all that stuff, you will have to go through security, and when you will pass through security, you will have to remove your jewelries, your phone, and put it on like trays, and they will scan your bags and stuff, and you will have to walk through a security. Like if you have a phone with you, it will do beep beep and they will tell you to come outside. They will check you whether you have harmful stuff with you and all that stuff. So make sure to follow all procedure. So read all the policies and conditions before you pass through security, so that you don't be stressed. One advice that I will tell you is to act like you have already flied before. Like be confident. Make sure that you have followed everything. If you know that you follow everything, every procedure, you're safe, you're not dangerous or whatever, just be confident. And if something wrong happens or anything happens, as you will be confident, you will be able to answer, you will be able to make the procedure go through much more easier for yourself and for the workers over there. Then if you pass through the security, you will need to go to the passport thing. No, I think it is passport control before the security. So passport control is easy, just give them the passport, and if your passport is okay, if you are not a criminal or anything, they will let you go through, and you will have to go through security. So the order is pretty much messed up, I think. Yeah, but I hope that it helps. And that's pretty much it. So I hope that you guys find this video helpful. If not, let me know. I will try to make another one much more clearer. This is not my ideal videos that I used to make. I make gaming videos, but if you like this type of videos, let me know and I'll probably make some more.